Well, hello everybody and welcome back. Today I have some beautiful new DIYs to share with you. As always, they're simple, affordable, and easy to recreate. So if you're interested in seeing what I've created today, just keep on watching. For this first DIY, I'll be taking some floral foam from Dollar Tree and I'm going to be cutting it in half. Now I'm just going to paint it with some gray craft paint. Then I'm going to add some bling ribbon from Amazon. Next, I'll be taking these skewers from Dollar Tree and I'm just going to be painting them with some black craft paint. I'll be taking these diamond vase filler from Dollar Tree and placing them in the middle of the skewers and then hot gluing them into place. Next, I'll be taking 5 of the skewers that I painted black and I'm just going to hot glue them together. I'll be using this self-adhesive blue-black glitter ribbon from Dollar Tree. Now that I have all the pieces prepared, I'm going to cut out a piece of foam board to use for the back of the project. And then I'm just going to assemble everything. I'm going to add some fairy lights and I picked these up from Amazon. So here's what it looks like, guys. I really love it. What do you guys think? For this last DIY, I'm going to take this glass vase from Dollar Tree and I'm just going to paint the lower half of it black. Next, I'll be applying a strip of bling ribbon from Amazon. Like in the first DIY, I'm going to be using this blue-black ribbon from Dollar Tree. Now I'm just going to add some vase filler and a tea light, and yeah guys, this is what it looks like. What do you guys think? Alright guys, that's all that I have for you guys today. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well as hitting that notification bell and giving this video a huge thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!